So you send me first. At least give me one with a light.
Eric. Eric, see if you see that light.
It's gonna be much scarier.
Oh, come on. I need it.
Do you want to go first?
No.
Come on. Come on. Oh, come down here with the light. Come on, come on. Sister, I have one. Sister. What sister wants me to do with you?
I'm watching your exit. I have to be
Luna,
Yes, Charmaine.
what do you want me to do with this one?
Bye, then. Now, who would it be that we're talking about?
Okay. Oh, that was pretty scary. Yes, I should go up there. Wait. I need to get this. Stupid kid. Oh, what the freak? Okay, that's better. Here.
Someone ran down. You might want to go see her little friend. By going downstairs.
What the fuck?
Hi, man. Well, that was boring. Did we kill everybody?
Yes, you killed me first.
No! The light back on! No!
Let me turn it on.
Oh, hello.